Hey guys, it's your boy Lamakana here live once again. Welcome to another video of mine. Today we're reviewing the Ultrahuman Ring again. Question mark. For context, I've been having some issues with my old ring. I've been wearing it for almost a year and a bit now, and I bloody love the product. Honestly, it's been very kind to me. Obviously, the issue with these lithium battery rings is that they tell you, oh yeah, they last for like a week, but after over time, very quickly, it's half of that. So you're getting at least 3 days, which I think is better than the Apple Watch situation because you gotta charge that thing every single day. With the ring, there's like 3 modes you can put it on and help conserve batteries, so you can push it to a week, but I leave it on all the time just for myself to like exercise throughout the day and even when I'm sleeping just to get the most accurate results, and I really love it. It's always constant updates as well. But however, lately I've been having a lot of issues with my old ring. It's over here right now, it has my personal name engraved, and for some reason it started off with an on and off thing, like, oh, my phone just disconnects to my ring here and there. It was like, okay, not a big deal, reconnect. However, a couple of weeks ago, it just completely disappeared. Normally you see this long Bluetooth name on my phone, but it's completely gone. It doesn't even recognize the thing anymore. So I've been talking to customer service here and there, and they've been so kind to like help me out through the process and trying to reset it and everything. And unfortunately, nothing is working because my phone literally does not recognize the ring, or the ring doesn't recognize my phone anymore. It's not showing up. So they've been kind to send me a whole another ring, and wow, it looks spotless. I don't know if you guys could see the difference here, but one looks a little bit more, hopefully a little bit more scruffy than the other. I've been showering, I've been like going out with this thing all the time. So the new and the old, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. And let's see. It looks like they sent me a whole nother ring, free of cost, free of charge, which I'm honestly, it's a good bang for your buck. I know other companies are so greedy that will just charge you again, but like, man, I'm generally having a problem here. Like, I paid good money for this, and this time they sent you a couple stickers, which is quite nice. Then you have the typical manual, and yo, they sent me a charger dock, and you got your wires. I kind of busted it open earlier, but dudes, I have to talk about this. I have to talk. This was such a weird move from this company. So I've been having this. I can't find my old one, but as you can see, it's a little bit bulky. It's like the normal situation. Like, it's fine. Like, it looks nice. It works. The resetting feature works on this thing. However, a few months ago, they sent me a new one, which you could tell this is more curvier, less bulky, and lighter for sure. However, to this day, I still yet to get the resetting function on this thing. So I think I prefer functionality as opposed to the sleek look. Obviously, the look's nice, but the functionality, especially the resetting function, it works on this as opposed to the new one. But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. The whole point is for me to test out if this ring connects to my phone or not, and I'm hoping it does. And for some reason, I got two. It's not that I got two rings. However, yeah, one is working, one is not. So I'm really hoping this works, and I could go back to my regular day of life, and hopefully I could use this new charging dock to see if it works and stuff. But let's try it right now, actually. So it comes with that's a little USB-C. I think they changed the wire as well. This is new. Oh my god. I think they changed the wire, and they changed putting stickers in there because I didn't get that before. So that's kind of nice of them. I'm not too sure if it's the new ring design as well, actually. I'm not too sure. To my knowledge, it hasn't changed since I got it. Like, it looks the same. I'm not mistaken. Like, it looks the same. Both of them have, I mean, one of them has gone through trenches than the other. I'm not sure you can see that or not. Hopefully, this could work. Look at that. I'm using the old. Okay, so we put this here. Now we go into our apps. Now, I'm thinking once I put on the Bluetooth, you go into the App Store. Let's see if this works. It says connect ring. I'm connecting. See, now this is functionality right here. It's working. Start my journey. It's sensing the new ring as itself. This is the long number I'm telling you about. This is supposed to pop up on your Bluetooth. For some reason, the old one wasn't working like that. And right away, it tells you the size of your ring and what kind of color it is. I'm not too sure if I should have asked for another color or not, but they were just like, oh yeah, it's going to be exactly the same. And look at that. Boom. Voila. The UI is quite amazing. This is my new ring as it is. As you can see, it's been a while since I've had my data in there. And it's kind of cool that they tell you your cardio age. As you can tell, I'm a bit younger than this, all right? I need to work out more. But it is possible to reduce down this number, which I really, really like. Because I'm supposed to be over there, you know what I mean? But yeah, it's been days now. But I'm really liking the snapshot review here. This is new. I like this a lot. And you can do breathing workout. This is one of my favorite features here. Just tapping in your workout here, and then it kind of tracks your meter and everything. And there's different plugs as well. I really like that a lot. There's a lot of female features for them as well. And obviously all these are free, which is quite nice. For some reason you have to pay for these extra ones here. Not too sure why, but apparently they have more coming out, which is interesting. I guess they have to make money somehow, but I disagree. But it's quite nice as it is right now. I'm using it every single day, and it's quite amazing. I want to show you guys possibly some data. I mean, they probably have this stored in their facilities somewhere in their servers. This is my latest one, probably early September, I guess. Yeah, you can tell your skin temperature and everything. It's quite nice, honestly. It's quite nice. This is not a good one though. Normally it tells you your stress features. I guess, yeah. Like I said before, my ring has been going on and off for some reason. And it tells you movement index, your sleep index, and all that. So it's quite interesting. I've been trying to compare it to my Apple Watch as well. More or less, they're matching. I can also feel it too, right? So it's not just about seeing the numbers. You can also feel how much you have walked, and like, you know, my goal is 10,000 steps every day at least. Oh yeah, I even forgot. There's some other stuff that they're just selling in their company, which I haven't tried, which is quite interesting, to be honest with you. I don't know what the home thing is meant to be, but it's quite interesting to know. But anyways, guys, that's just my profile. Hope you guys like this video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
Do you know the way? What does it even mean anymore?